Hello editors, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to create this A-inspired and Zick-like premium Crimson CC. If this video hits 100 likes, I'll drop XML and ALIGHT link all inside ALIGHT Motion. So open your ALIGHT Motion and follow my steps. And here your CC complete. Any problem, comment now. Join Telegram channel and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Take care and bye.